thank you so much for being here tonight and for all the stockings. I walked in and I am just completely overwhelmed. We are an agency here in Nashville. We are celebrating our 130th year this year. And so we do what we can do to help the young people, and we absolutely cannot do what we do without all of you, without the support of the community. You guys just don't know how far your support goes in helping us.
Just the world to me that any of you would come out here tonight and bring things to help these kids and to set them up for success, to give them a fighting chance, just means the absolute world.